In this video, you will learn how to search and access both e-books and print books at the Pao Yue Library. Finding books on OneSearch is easy. Just type in a keyword in the search box and click Search. The results page will show every kind of material the library has on the topic. You can filter to see only book titles using the menu on the right. Now you'll see both e-books and print books. E-books will show as full text available or online access, whereas for print books you'll see the book's call number. See only e-books by filtering full text online or print books by selecting physical items. You can also further narrow down results like publication date here. To access an e-book, just click on the link which will direct you to various e-book platforms. After logging in with your Net ID, you can read the book online, check out or download PDF versions of the book. For print books, firstly click on the title. Then click on Location to get a rough idea of where you can find the book. Jot down the call number to find the book on the shelves, and check out the book at the loan and return counter.